Ah, there we go. Oh, wait. Transition speed. Make it. Make it. One. Okay. Hello, Maria. Just wanted to let you know. Wait, no, don't go to the next one. I don't go back. Okay. What's the next one? Favorite candy? I like sour candies. Chocolate I also like. I really like hazelnut chocolate. I also like milk chocolate. I also like dark chocolate. I just like chocolate as well.次も紙ボーイの歌。セフィナ先輩を意識しました。ちょっとセフィナ先輩の紙ボーイのめっちゃいいので見ていてね。Okay. Do you like gacha games? I'm not the biggest fan of gacha games because money. I am Maria needs food money. Oh, gemstone favorite gems. I like diamonds, gemstones, rubies. Yeah, those all good. Very pog. Favorite senpai, okay. So I love all you senpais, but my Aussie, my Ian Aussie is Petra senpai. Arigatou, daisuki. Ever tried playing instruments? I actually have a clarinet. Maybe I'll be able to play for you in a stream one day. But yeah, speedrun. So the person who, like, for Niji Sanji, Ian, though I was always interested in Niji Sanji Ian because I was into Niji Sanji JP. JP senpais that I really look up to are Hoshikawa Sara senpai and also Kanae senpai. Yes, I really like their content. And after Ian was made, the person who made me want to join Niji Sanji was Petra senpai. I love you, Petra senpai. 大哥，这边别嘎啦，给了，这边别嘎啦，给了，喵。